Over here we have Stangmode showing his subscribers how bad his wrap really looks. CT space radar car. You're in for a treat, man. You're in for a treat. Hey guys, what is going on? Back with another video. If you don't know me by now, I'm That Orange GT, and today is going to be a sort of special vlog. I have some footage from Stangmode subscriber meetup, and I'm going to be going into that later on. But for now, I am installing something pretty special into my 22 Mustang GT. I've been wanting to do this for a super long time. So, in my 22 Mustang, about to head over to Sunshine Control, which is one of my favorite places to get work done on my car. Let's go ahead and start her up and head over. It's not exactly a cold start, but still sounds pretty good. And honestly, on a hot day, like, these seat belts, they burn so bad. Like, this is an 84-degree day, and honestly, this feels like a 120-degree belt. But nonetheless, besides the point, I'll talk to you guys when I get over there. He has like a special camera. So, just finished up at Sunshine Control, and I am super happy with the way it turned out. Before I showed it to you guys, sorry I didn't actually record in there. I didn't want to, show the process, and I didn't want to, be one of those people who look over their shoulder while they do it. But here it is, and it looks absolutely amazing. And honestly, I'm super glad of the way this turned out, and it looks super aggressive, especially with like the black accents on the roof and on the splitters and stuff like that. I think this really pops out, and honestly, I'm super happy with the way it turned out. Let me know what you guys think in the description down below if you guys like this stripe or if you guys would leave it stripeless. But me personally, I honestly really love the way it turned out. If you guys haven't seen my car before, I do have all the Roush front pieces on there, and I do have multiple review videos of what is on the car. So if you guys don't know, I'm gonna leave a link in the description down below so you guys can check out the car and you guys can see exactly what's on it. So if you guys are interested, that's gonna be there. Oh, before I go back into the channel updates, I do want to give a huge shout out again to Sunshine Control in Sterling, and I'm gonna actually post their stuff in the description down below because they really hooked up my car on way more than just this stripe. I mean, if you guys haven't seen, I actually have the clear bra on this as well, and I actually have the roof wrap and everything like that. So they really did hook it up, and I really appreciate them. So make sure you guys go ahead and check out their link in the description down below as well. Over here we have Stangmode showing his subscribers how bad his wrap really looks, and I can't wait to show you guys how bad this looks at Mustang Week, guys.
I love it.
Just wait.
Yes, you will see this at Mustang Week if you guys are going.
So just made outside of Stangmode's meetup, and right now I'm in a
2018 Mustang GT with a 10R80 transmission powered by a Vortex supercharger.
If you want to plug a YouTube channel, go for it.
Come visit me. Come follow my build. Michael Mack on YouTube. Real simple. Just Michael and Mack. Thanks, guys.
So super excited for this ride. This is actually one of my first times in a 10-speed Mustang. If you guys already know my channel, you guys. Holy crap! I'll be honest, it definitely pulls.
Okay, so now this is. I just want to show you regular drivability.
So it's
this is regular driving. You see, like, did you know, like, you get stuck in traffic, stop and go. You don't have that, but then you want the power, it's there. And I feel like that's what's so great about having a centrifugal supercharger.
It's like, from what I'm seeing in the passenger seat, you don't know it got all this power until you really step on it.
Yeah.
Wow. Holy crap. That's crazy.
Now, did I change your mind? Well, you haven't been in a Whipple car, but how did that just feel? Remember, it's a nice cooler day. There's not a lot of humidity, so the car is running nice.
It felt insane. That's right. Honestly, I mean, for the price,
it's the price point is it's budget friendly. It's not free, but it's definitely budget friendly.
Has a ton of pull, especially up in higher RPMs, which makes me question how it would perform with a 6-speed manual compared to the 10-speed. But from the 10-speed, this is fantastic. Like, I give it that. This feels brutal. Oh my god.
I'm not even really going that fast.
CT space radar car. You're in for a treat, man. You're in for a treat.
All right, buddy. Here we go.
And if you haven't checked out this guy's channel, make sure you go ahead and do so down below. Link's gonna be in the description as well for him. So enjoy that ride, man. Peace.
All right, brother. See you soon. So just make making sure I'm clear, so we are all on the same page. That's Mrs. Stangmode, right?
Correct.
She's a woman, right?
Correct.
That makes you a what?
Are we doing gender? Are we doing
no,
gender
that makes
right
you,
now?
that makes you a what? Okay, cool. That's it.
Okay. All right. Oh, okay. All right. So he got sexist, but what we're going to say right now is the reason why I think automatics are better than stick shift is 3 reasons. One, they're faster. You cannot beat an automatic any way, any shape or form in a race, especially if you have a modern automatic. The automatic I have is a 10-speed automatic transmission with only 460 horsepower, which gives up almost 300 horsepower to his and keeps up with and beats it from a dig. And that's unheard of because these new modern automatic transmissions are so well equipped and so fast. If you look at every supercar out there right now, there are no supercars, Lamborghinis, Ferraris, all those kind of McLarens. They're not stick shift cars. You cannot outshift an automatic. A lot of comments we get in the videos are, I was going to subscribe, but I saw you were an automatic.
Preach.
The problem with that is when you have a stick shift car, yes, it's great to downshift and to go on and off ramps or do a roll race, but after that, the car needs to take over. And then people say, well, you're not one with the machine. I beg to differ because when you're an automatic car, you can focus more on steering and braking and turn-ins.
More than likely, all of the masses of people are not at a drag strip.
Okay.
They're driving their car to and from work or to go out on the evening. They cannot exceed a certain speed anyway, right? So you're driving on the highway, you're just cruising, an automatic transmission car, you literally can fall asleep. It can do everything for you. So in the case of like me, I'm not a drag strip person. I do it because it's fun to do with you guys, but to be honest with you, if my car was an automatic, I would not love it the way I do because it wouldn't pop and bang the way it does when I downshift. It wouldn't allow me to, throw it back when I feel like it and have complete, to use a word, complete control. It's true. Well, but also remember, out of the 4 cars I have, 3 of them are automatics, right? My truck is an automatic. The Porsche is a PDK. Amazing transmission. The PDK is the best of best transmission, right? All these other cars are now catching up with ZF, but Porsche, they laid it all out. They laid out the recipe from day one of what automatic transmission should be. And I have that. But at the end of the day, it does not touch the rewarding, heroic feeling I have when I catch every gear the right way, when I shift exactly at the right point, the way that I can come through a meet and be a hoonigan and just which with automatic transmissions, they limit you. You can only rev to 4,000 RPMs unless you have it to. But who's doing all of that, right? But me, I have complete and utter control. And in addition to that, like you said, once you're on a highway, the advantages of automatic begin to go away. They're still there, but if it's a 50% advantage from a dig on the track, once you're on the highway, it diminishes to about a 10. And then it becomes just a driver's race at that point. So for me, I'm sorry, man, you're not going to be able to convince me that for a driver involvement, the rewarding feeling, manual.
Thank you so much, and I appreciate your very nice response and rebuttal, but I humbly disagree. Basically because what happens every time you race somebody and they have a stick shift? I missed a gear, bro. It was the car, I over-revved it, my clutch slipped. You hear that all the time. With automatic, there's no excuses. It's your car against their car, and you go. Yes, it is rewarding to drive stick shift, but like I said, for everyday drivability, when you want someone to, hey, can you go pick up my car because I'm at work, can you help me out? Oh, it's stick shift, I can't help you out. Resale value, it's stick shift, it's going to go down. Yes, it is rewarding to bang gears perfectly, but the ratio of bang gears perfectly is so. I bang gears perfectly in my automatic.
Before we go ahead and end this video, I really hope you guys did like, the Stangmode, video content, and let me know what you guys think about his opinions. About the automatic versus the manual. Me personally, you guys already know, I drive a manual car, so you already know I choose manual over automatic, but I'm curious to see what you guys think. So post it down in the description below if you think Stangmode is correct about the automatic, or you think that he's wrong. I do actually want to do more video style content of daily vlogging. I guess like that's going to be sort of what I'm going to be trying to move towards, and hopefully you guys enjoy that content. I really am going to start pushing it, so if you guys haven't already, make sure you guys go ahead and subscribe down below. I'm going to be posting daily videos, and Mustang Week is coming up. It's going to be insane. A lot of content coming from that, and make sure you subscribe for that as well. And if all this being said, hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Be sure to tune in for next time. I'm going to have a couple different changes coming, so keep your eyes peeled out for that. And with that being said, talk to you guys next video.